Hey everybody, Alex Kaufman here, Teifke Real Estate. Today I wanted to talk to y'all about why I chose to invest in real estate as opposed to stocks or many of the other options out there for investing, my personal finances. Personally, I like the opportunity that's involved in real estate. When we're buying real estate, we're not purchasing it at market value, therefore we're initially walking into equity on the buy. We are getting paid on a monthly basis. So ideally, these properties are cash flowing after taxes, insurance, debt, operating expenses, property management fees. The rent is high enough to cover all those expenses plus pay us on a monthly basis. It's also paying down our debt. So every time a tenant pays rent every month and every time we pay a mortgage with that rent, it's going towards our mortgage that we have at the bank. Therefore, the tenant is paying down our debt and increasing our equity. It's not guaranteed. However, in Austin, Texas, our properties are increasing in value every year through appreciation. It seems like things are changing all the time. People are moving to Austin. New businesses are moving to Austin. Just recently, Tesla announced a new factory. They're opening up down south. Apple's moving another campus up north in North Austin. We got Amazon coming here. There's a lot of business and a lot of people moving here and a lot of money moving here, therefore causing the value of our real estate to increase without doing anything on our part. Also, I feel fairly secure in real estate. Even in something like the 2008 real estate crash, also even recently with the coronavirus when the stock market dipped down 30+%, our real estate never really decreased in value. Matter of fact, here in Austin, the residential housing market, I wouldn't say was affected too much at all for an extended period of time. There was definitely some scares about what was going to happen in the future when there was a ton of unknowns. However, it recouped fairly quickly, and there's really about 1 month worth of inventory on the market right now. So I feel secure with my real estate. It pays on a monthly basis. It's always increasing in value. It's not guaranteed. However, history over time would show that it is. Tenants are paying down our mortgage. They're paying down our debt. They are increasing our equity. We get paid on a monthly basis. And so that's just with residential. With commercial multifamily, it's still the same thing. However, what I really enjoy about commercial multifamily is the fact that my real estate is not valued on the comparable sales around it. So the commercial real estate that we own is valued on the income that it's bringing in on a monthly and annual basis. And that is what determines its value. So we're essentially in control of that. We can decrease operating expenses. We can improve the property to increase the value to renters, therefore increasing the rents. And we can choose who comes into our properties, who our tenants are, and we're essentially in control of that operation, therefore controlling the income that comes in and also controlling the value of the real estate. Now, I've invested in stocks before. I've lost a lot of money in stocks. I was not investing like your traditional 30, 40 year investor to invest for retirement. And I like the idea of stocks. Stocks have been proven over time to increase in value as well. There's little dips here and there. However, if you're looking at 20-year charts, 50-year charts, 100-year charts, stocks are always increasing in value as well. At least the indexes are. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ. However, for me personally, real estate is the better option. Also, one thing I really enjoy about real estate is the fact that I can't log into my real estate account and check my value on a daily basis. One thing that drove me crazy with stocks was seeing my money fluctuate up and down, and I was invested in very volatile stocks. I was not invested in index funds or ETFs. I was investing in stocks that fluctuated 10+%, on a weekly basis, and it drove me crazy. But I lost a lot of money in stocks. With real estate, I can't really just log into my account, say I want to sell 500 shares and pull my money out. Therefore, if there ever is a scare like there was with coronavirus in early March, I wasn't able to just log in and sell my stocks and act irrationally. So that's the reasons why I prefer real estate. I feel, just to sum it up, I feel very secure, pays me on a monthly basis, tenants pay down my debt, appreciation helps increase my equity, And overall, I'm going into it with a winning strategy by buying into equity on the front end. Alex Kaufman, Teifke Real Estate, thank you for listening. If you have any questions, comment down below. Reach out to us. We're here to help any way we can. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with someone who you may know who is looking to transfer from stocks to real estate or vice versa. Again, thanks for watching.